Hey guys, as you can see on the thumbnail, this is the student that made 2,700 bucks his first weekend. I have been after this student to make this video for 2 or 3 years. He finally settled down and did this. I advise you to watch this video until the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe because more videos are coming soon. Thanks. Have a blessed day.
Alright, so man, this video is overdue, but this is for Cornerstone. I really should have did this video back in 2020, but I had my reasons why I didn't do it. But we're gonna get it done today. So we're gonna be talking about Cornerstone appliance repair training. You know, I got started in the appliance repair industry like around the end of 2019, early part of 2020, right? So I got started off, you know, signing up with third-party warranty companies, you know, to get my feet wet with my business or whatever. So I tried that. It was real slow, man. I was getting like 1 to 3 calls a month, maybe. No traction, not enough to get out there where I could do it on my own and, you know, start my own business. So I had heard of Cornerstone beforehand, but you know, I was just glancing through it. So around the end of July, 1st of August, I said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and give this Cornerstone guy out. I'm gonna go ahead and give Cornerstone appliance training a shot, right? So this was the end of July, 1st of August, and that was the best decision I ever made. It changed my life, and I wasn't no looking back, you know, at that point in time. So I got it, and you know, I paid for it, and I'm at home, I'm studying, locked in on it from the gate. As soon as I clicked onto it, I said, yeah, this is the one. This is gonna be the one right here. So I watched it. It's long, and but I binge watched it. I probably did the washer and dryer the first day. Anyway, it was like on a Monday. By Wednesday, I was done with it. Whole lot of information. I soaked it all up. That weekend roll around, I jump out there, you know, COD, and like, you know, it is what it is. I jump out there. Every call I got, he covered it on his course. So when I got the calls, I went back, watched his course, and I was ready for it. That first weekend, after I took Chris's course, this Friday and a Saturday, I made $2,700. I never made that much in appliance repair, you know, back when I was messing with the warranty companies. Now, depending on where you live at, warranty companies, you know, they might be good, you might can make it, but, you know, in the market I'm in, it's real competitive. So anyway, I made $2,700. I called him, man, I thanked him, and told him, man, how much I appreciate it, and I think I'm ready. So I've been doing CODs from that day forward, and life's been great. And you know, he asked me to do a video. I told him I would, but I kept pushing it off. Then I told him why. But now, the reason I told him why, I done got that under control too. But that's a whole nother story or whatever. But I'm in my service vehicle, like you can see the name of my company in the back of the window. You know, you see my logo, and on the front of my head or whatever, I got it, you know, to the back right about now. And you can see parts and stuff. I think this is a sump assembly for a job I got coming up, but I got a lot of parts back here and parts everywhere. More parts, so I got parts, so I'm really out here doing it. And he's telling you you can make 50, 80,000 a year, somewhere up in there. I'm gonna let you know you can make way more than that. 80,000, you can make that maybe doing 3 jobs a day, if that, but you definitely can make way more. But the thing is, you got to put in the work. You got to study. If you don't, you know, you ain't going to get those type of results or whatever. But you definitely can slingshot past 80,000. So he kind of said it kind of low. But I just want to give you, you know, from my point of view. But you do got to study. I studied every day, sometimes like 4 or 5 hours a day. It was pretty much at one point in time. That's all my life consisted of. But I knew I had to make this work, you know. I'm not the type of person who like working jobs. Yeah, that ain't for me. You know, before I did this, I had my own 18-wheeler. did that. Then, you know, I had a situation come up, stopped doing that, but that's either here or there. But I'm just letting you know, if you're thinking about getting it, go ahead and get it. You won't regret it, and it might be one of the best decisions you ever made. But he definitely gonna give you what you need to get you a good foundation. But with this, you gotta constantly learn. Like he used to tell me all the time, you can't learn it all at one place, and it's true. So you gotta put in what you want out, and if you put it in, you're gonna get the results.